The Kiama Blowhole was formed from basalt lava flows approximately 260 million years ago and was first discovered by local Aboriginals who named it Khanterinte. The Kiama Blowhole was first written about by George Bass on the 6th of December 1797. Bass had captained a crew of 6 and set out on an open whaleboat to explore the south coast of Australia. He noticed the blowhole after anchoring his boat in a sheltered bay. In 1992, 7 people were drowned when a freak wave washed 2 Afghan families off the rocks. A tragedy compounded 5 years later when 2 more members of one of the families died at the picturesque site. Despite the local council erecting fences and signs to the danger, tourists can still regularly be seen standing perilously close to the edge as the water explodes through the opening. The Kiama Lighthouse, established in 1887, 10 years after the creation of the Robertson Basin, the man-made harbor, the lighthouse sits 36.5 meters above sea level. The principal keeper's house was destroyed by vandals in the 1920s. However, the single-story assistant keeper's house, used for many years as a residence for harbor pilots, is now the Pilot's Cottage Museum. There is no access available to the inside of the lighthouse. Tenders for the construction of the tower were called in 1886, 10 years after Robertson Basin, a man-made basin, was opened in the harbor. The tower was commissioned on the 1st of January, 1887. It was designed by Edward Orpen Moriarty. The light was established in 1887. The original apparatus was an oil burner with a catadioptric fixed lens and light intensity of 600 CD. The characteristic was fixed green, and it was visible for 9 nautical miles. In 1908, the power source was upgraded to coal gas with an intensity of 1,500 CD and a range of 15 nautical miles. In 1969, the light was electrified and connected to mains electricity with a 120 volts battery bank as backup. The current light source is a 120 volts, 1,000 watts quartz halogen lamp. Located on Blowhole Point, the lighthouse is hard to miss. Enjoy some extra views of Kiama Lighthouse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, like and subscribe.